Hi guys, my name is Arta and this is my reaction channel, so welcome. What we do tonight? Tonight we will listen to the 5th participants of UMK25. This is the Finnish selection for Eurovision, and something tells me that extraordinary awaiting us, because we have a rock band, one morning left with the song Papi. This is rock band is far from new in music industry, so with their experience I awaiting something special and very strong application. Support my channel please with a like, it's 1 second for you and behalf of my channel. And let's go talk about this application. Yeah, I'm ready. Come on guys, surprise us. It will be funny, it's Europop again. Okay, it's funny. It's not Europop. Bravo. Now I see UMK. You prepared for Eurovision? But it's Europe isn't ready for it. It's fucking awesome. I'm not ready for this hardcore. Cool transition electronica. Very easy lyrics. It's really catchy. Little pop. Amazing chorus. Despite the rock nice look really funny. Well, this will definitely remain in your memory after watching. Oh, with some transitional. OMG. I don't have words. This is such a song would definitely deserve attention. Really, very cool electronic. These guys can blow Eurovision. It's really catchy. La la. The guys have already come up with the dance for TikTok. Everyone is in trend. Oh, with some electronic bridge. I have a goosebumps. It's very cool. Too much action is one song. How can you survive this? This is awesome. Really too much action in 3 minutes. Ah, fuck. Very cool. Now it's my favorite. I vote for these guys. guys. Really, we need a second to breathe. Now it's my favorite. Write your opinion in the comments. It's fucking amazing. Thank you for watching with me this video. Bye guys.